Hi friends, it's Caroline here from How to Vietnamese. In this episode of How to Say It in Vietnamese, we will learn the phrase good morning and in what situation should you use it. Good morning in Vietnamese is chào buổi sáng. Chào buổi sáng. Chào buổi sáng. Chào is the standard word for saying hello or hi in Vietnamese. Buổi refers to the period of the day or session, and sáng means morning. So by saying chào buổi sáng, you're literally saying hello morning period. Chào buổi sáng, good morning. Vietnamese native speakers don't say good morning that often in daily conversation. And when we do, we mostly use it to greet a group of people. For example, you can say chào buổi sáng to your coworkers when arriving at the office in the morning, or to a friend's family members who are there when visiting their house. If you're very close or comfortable with this group of people, you can also say chào buổi sáng cả nhà. Chào buổi sáng cả nhà. Chào buổi sáng cả nhà literally means good morning whole family or simply good morning all. Leave me a comment on which Vietnamese phrase you want to learn next. See you next time. Tạm biệt.